Hey fakes, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be making homemade fresh pasta from scratch. So just stay glued to your screen. So pour your flour to your work surface and then crack in your eggs. So this particular recipe is for 2, so I'll drop the recipe and the measurements in the description box below for reference. So when you crack in your eggs, mix with your fork, and then when you can no longer do that, use your scraper to continue mixing, and then lastly with your hands mix to form a dough. Now at this point my dough is formed. Now it's time to work on the dough. So flour your surface again, just flour the dough so it doesn't stick. Now we're going to roll this dough till it's very thin, so just watch the process. Keep flouring your dough so it doesn't stick to the mat or to the rolling pin. Just continue rolling. You want to roll this and make sure it's very flat, it's very thin. Now if I was to describe in centimeter, this is less than 1 centimeter thick, so it should be around 0.5 centimeter thick. So after rolling, just fold your dough this way, your pasta dough, and then cut. So cut tiny, it should be very tiny. So you see, this is what it looks like. Now with the remaining dough, I'll just repeat the same process. Make sure the dough is very flat and then you cut. So the reason why the dough should be very flat is so it cooks easily. So again, I'm going to cut and make sure it's very tiny, very tiny. So this is it, our homemade fresh pasta from scratch is ready. Like, it's very simple and it's worth the time, it's worth the stress, if that's what you call it. And homemade fresh pasta tastes better than store-bought. Like, I've done this so many times and yes, it tastes better. Like, the taste is, I don't know, it's out of the world. It's 100. So at this point I'm going to proceed to make the pasta. So I'm going to be making creamy pasta with this. So in my pan I'll add little oil, and then I'm going to pan fry my turkey. Now for the pasta, in boiling water add salt and then add the pasta. We're going to boil this pasta for 7 minutes. Yes, 7 minutes. So add my pepper mix. Now our pasta is ready, you can see. So at this point I'll add my turkey stock and then cream. Give that a good stir, and then I taste it to adjust. My turkey is well seasoned, but I think I needed more salt. So at this point I just added my pasta and then parsley. So I'll mix together and our fresh pasta, it's ready. Creamy fresh pasta, homemade from scratch. It's very tasty, like very tasty. So guys, you should try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.